son. Oh my goodness. Yeah, a bird.
It's one of a dozen names for a visit during the evening.
What is he doing?
But it's a ritual soon to be disrupted.
Is he digging on the ground?
Little do these birds know that they're preparing for their last performance in this forest.
Mm. Oh, yeah. Ah. Oh. Do you like the birds? Yeah? Pretty bird.
Looks like he
See
has
his big
horns.
feathers? Yeah, it's doing a mating dance. He's got his feathers all out, trying to attract the females.
Attracting the female.
When the lyrebird's courtship period ends, there's still no sign of rain.
They gotta put a funny part in this
As
show.
spring turns into summer, heat waves grip
Where'd the bird
southeast
go?
Australia. So far, the lyrebirds in their upland forest refuge are sheltered from the rising temperatures.
You need to put a funny part?
Yes.
Bats.
Animals elsewhere are feeling the heat.
Tree foxes.
Flying foxes suffering from heat stress are walking into trees, as are possums
Foxes
and
don't
koalas.
fly.
Those are just the name of it. They're really in the bat family, you know?
They're sure signs that the natural world is under pressure.
Whoa.
Wow, flying foxes.
Whoa.
They look like foxes
It's early
and they
February.
have bat wings.
And the heat wave is about to reach a disturbing climax.